In this video, I will give few examples of method overriding. Method overriding is achieved in inheritance. Just like how designing is done in other engineering, in software also, designing is done using object orientation. To give you a clear-cut idea about overriding, I will take few examples and explain you. So on the screen, you will find one example. I will explain this one. See, this is a television, old television. And this is the circuit design of this television. So this I can call it as a class, and this is an object of that television. This is a class and this is an object. This defines what are the components used inside this television and its functionality. So if we relate it with the classes, components are nothing but properties, data members, and functionality is nothing but methods. So this is how we define a class. So this is a class. Then based on this design, suppose this television is manufactured, created, constructed. So this is an object of that television. So this is an old television, or we can say this is a basic television. So I will say this is class TV, television. Now next, this is a latest television. I will call it as LED television, or let us call it as smart TV. That is better. And this is the circuit design of this one. So this is a class for this television, class. And this is an object. So how companies manufacture these television is, first of all, they will design this thing. Then based on this, they will keep on creating objects. They will create many objects of the same model and they will sell them in the market. Are these two televisions different, very different? No. This particular television is having all the features that are there in that old television. So this is same as this one, plus extra features are there. So this design is borrowing the features of this design and adding extra features. So I will call this as smart TV. So I have explained you the example in detail. Now let us define few methods of this class television. See, a basic television will have methods like switch on, change channel, next change volume, brightness, and also switch off. These type of options are also there. I am talking about two methods or two functionalities of this television. So I am calling them as methods. When this television is inheriting from this one, or this is smart TV extends a TV, then all these features are available here also. But the way how this old television used to get switch on and the way we switch on this one is different. So though it is borrowing this method, but it will not directly use that method, it has to redefine it. So this switch on method is available here, but we have to override this method, right? Then changing of a channel, change channel, the method was different. There were knobs given there and the mechanism, internal mechanism were also different. But here using a remote, we can change the channels. Yes, so the working is different. So this working was different and this working is different. So though that functionality is available here, but the way it works is different. So it is redefined in this television. Yes. Then also this television may have extra features because it is a smart television. So let us say that it is having a method for browsing. So browse, you can browse internet, or you have some applications also, just like on mobile phone you have applications. Similarly on smart television you will have applications. So I'm calling it as browse. So this television is having three methods. There are a lot of features, but I'm talking about only three functions. Okay, here also a lot of functions are there, but let us take only two. Now based on the discussion I have done here, I will write down the classes and I will show you. So here the project is ready. I will write on the class first. I will write a class for television, and in this I will define two methods, that is switch on and change channel. So inside this method, just I will print a message, that is system.out.println. TV is switched on. I'm writing it in a single line so that you can read it easily, because I have to write two classes. I need more space. Next method I am writing, that is for changing channel. So in change channel, I have used lowercase for change and uppercase for channel. Now here also I will just print that is channel is changed. TV's channel is changed. So I have two methods in a class television. Switch on and change channel. Now next I will write a class for smart TV. Smart TV that extends features of television. Then in this I will override both of these methods. I will copy them and paste them here. So these are redefined again. So this I will change. It is not TV, it is smart TV switched on and smart TV channel changed. At this method name, you can see that it is underlined with yellow color. If I take the cursor there, it says that add override annotation. So here, so it is suggesting me to add override annotation. So now this yellow line is gone. Without that also it works, but it's better use annotation. Now, as I said, this class, a smart TV class, will have one more method, that is browse. So I will define one more method, that is browse, and here I will print smart TV browsing. So that's it. I have a class for television and I have a class for smart television that is borrowing the features of television and overriding two methods, and one more method browse is there. Let us go to main method. So I have a class called override. Inside this main method, I will create the object of television. First of all, TV assign new TV object is created. Now I will compare with the picture that I have shown you. See, this is a class television. This is a definition, right? So this is a class that just like circuit diagram. And object is created here and we are calling it as T. So this is an object. So this is an object. Object is created here. And the object is created based on this class. And I can use this object. I cannot use this class. Usually this will be a drawing on paper, so I cannot use it. I can use the object. I can switch on and switch off or change channel, all the things that I can do upon this television, right? So same way upon the object, I can call the methods. So inside main method, I will type T dot. So once I say dot, you can see two methods are coming highlighted. Don't look at the other methods. Just look at the bolded methods. Switch on and change channel. I will call switch on. Then also I will call change channel. Yes. So whose methods will be called? TV's methods will be called. Let us run. Yes, TV is switched on and TV channel is changed. I will remove this. Now I will create smart TV object. Smart TV T assign new smart TV. I am creating an object of smart TV. Now if I type T dot, now if you see in bold letters, there are three methods: switch on, change channel, and browse. So I will call switch on. Then also I will call browse. Let us run this and check. Smart TV is switched on and smart TV browsing. So because the object is of smart TV and the methods of smart TV are called. So though this smart TV is extending from television and having these methods available here, but by redefining these method again, we have shadowed these methods. So when you use this object of smart TV class and call switch on method, then switch on method of smart television will be called. So now one more thing, I will change this smart TV to TV. Now you can see references of base class, superclass T, and the object is of subclass. Is it valid? Yes, this is valid. Is it valid other way? Smart TV is ST assign new TV. Is it allowed this way? No, it is not allowed. You can see it is highlighted in red color. See, this is allowed. TV reference can be taken for smart TV, right? But a smart TV reference cannot be taken for TV. Let us check it through. Let us see it in the diagrams. See, usually if you see this anywhere, you will say it is a television. It's a TV or television. If you see this also, you will say TV. Yes, you are right. So reference you are using is TV. You are saying that it is a TV, but actually it is a smart TV. But you are not wrong if you are saying TV. But can you call this as a smart TV? No, this you cannot call it as smart TV. It is wrong. You will not call it as smart TV. So that's what practically what we do. That same thing is allowed in Java programming also. So you can take a reference of superclass and have an object of subclass. So this is a smart TV and you are calling it as TV. But to a normal TV, you cannot call it as a smart TV. That is wrong. That's it. I will remove this line. Now one more thing to see here. See, by using a reference of superclass, I am calling switch on. Yes, it is there. Browse method is not there in this television class, TV class. Browse is not there, so you cannot call. So the meaning here is that when you are saying this as a TV, if you don't call it as a smart TV, then it gives the idea that you are aware of this one. You are aware of this one, right? And you are thinking this is also exactly same, and you don't know about extra features that are available in this one. You are thinking that it is just a normal TV. You can switch on and change the channel, and you don't know browsing is possible. That is the meaning when you call this as just TV. So that's why you are not allowed to use this browse button, because the object is of smart TV. Object is of smart TV, but you are using a reference of a old television, that is basic television. So browse method you cannot use. That's why we are getting an error here that you cannot call browse method. So using a superclass reference, you can hold the object of a subclass, but you can call only those methods which are already defined inside television class. You cannot access those methods which are newly defined in subclass. So remove this one. Now I will call one more method, that is change channel. Reference is superclass TV and the object is a smart TV, and these methods are called. Let us run. Smart TV is switched on and smart TV channel is changed. What does it mean? So the methods of which class are called? Methods of a smart TV. Why? What is the reason? Because the object is of smart TV. That's why the methods of smart TV are called. Let us understand here what does it mean. See, you are having a smart TV with you and you are calling it as just a normal TV, and you are saying that it's a TV and you are saying switch on. So when you call this switch on method, then which method will be called? So obviously you are thinking it is a normal TV, but the object is a smart TV, but you are switching on. So the smart TV will get switched on. That's it. So that is the reason when a reference is of superclass, object is of subclass, and you call the methods which are overridden method, then the methods of subclass should be called. This is what dynamic method dispatch, though we will be learning it again. So that's all in this video. I have shown you one of the real life example of method overriding. In the next video, I'll give you one more example. So practice these programs that are very important. So practice them. So you type these things completely. So you type the entire program. See, learning Java is more related to practicing, not just watching videos. So don't simply watch the video, type this program and do it by yourself. That's it.